Katika somo la leo tunakwenda kutafuta relative error au percentage error ambayo kimsingi tunaipata kwa kuchukua absolute error, unagawanya kwa true value, true measured value, true value. There is a measured value and a true value. So it is very important lessons about a relative error and percentage errors. Tuangalie namna ambavyo tunafanya. Kwa mfano, here you have told that a body has a true length of 50 centimeter. True length 50 centimeter. If the measured length is almost 48 centimeter, find the absolute error and the relative error. So in this way you say solution. In this question you say solution. Normally absolute error, this is equal to true length or true value minus measured value. This is how you can get to the absolute error. So absolute error now, absolute error now is equal to the true value is 50 centimeter minus measured value is almost 48 centimeter. So finally you can get now absolute error is equal to to 2 centimeter. So this is how we can find the absolute error. For relative error, we can find relative error is equal to absolute error divided by the true value. So we can say that absolute error, now we may say the relative error is equal to absolute error now, absolute error divided by true value. Now you may find now is equal to absolute error is equal to 2 centimeter over true value, which is 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. Absolute error is equal to over true value. So actually, finally you can get it is 0.04. Normally you may find this centimeter and centimeter cancel because relative error has no unit. It is sometimes called percentage error. It is sometimes called the percentage error. If it is called the percentage error, now we take this value, we times by 100%, and now you may find you get 4%. So this is how we can find the relative error. So it is very important materials to be noted. This is how we can find the relative error and the absolute error. So what is very important to note this important formula: absolute error is equal to true value minus measured value. So the true value is this 50 centimeter minus the measured value, unatoa ile measured value, sababu kimsingi unapopima kitu unapata kitu katika makosa. Kwa hiyo measured value inatofautiana na ile true value. Kwa hiyo urefu halisi wa kitu ulikuwa ni 50 centimeter, lakini aliyepima kwa sababu ya mapungufu na errors alipata sentimita 48, 48 centimeter. So in order to get the absolute error, ili ujue absolute error ni ile kosa lenyewe liko wapi, errors iko wapi. Kwa hiyo in order to get the absolute error, you have to take the true value minus measured value. So absolute error is equal to 50 centimeter minus 48 centimeter. Finally, you can get the absolute error is equal to 2 centimeter. We want to find the percentage error. hiyo error ni ya asilimia ngapi? The relative error inataka, the relative error also known as percentage error. Kwa hiyo inataka kutuambia hiyo error ilikuwa ni asilimia ngapi. So in order to get, you take the absolute error divided by the true value. So true absolute error is 2 centimeter. The true value is 50 centimeter. You may find centimeter and centimeter cancel. Finally, you can get the relative error is equal to 0.04. Normally, relative error has no unit. Haina unit kwa sababu hapa zinaisha. Centimeter na centimeter zinakwisha. So you can get 0.04 centimeter. So percentage error, if you want, you times by 100%, you can get 4%. So this is how we can find the relative error, absolute error. Oh, this is the measurement analysis. Thanks.